At FLOGEN SIPS 2025, Nobel Laureate Professor Robert John Aumann, 2005 Nobel Laureate in Economic Sciences, will deliver a plenary lecture titled Incentives for Sustaining a Green World. In his presentation, Professor Aumann will explore how real progress toward sustainability depends not only on technological innovation, but on creating the right incentives for people and societies to adopt these solutions. Drawing from examples in Switzerland, Brazil, and Nepal, he will demonstrate how effective incentive structures can drive global environmental action and long-term change. Don't miss this opportunity to hear one of the world's leading thinkers connect economics, human behavior, and sustainability at SIPS 2025. Join us from November 17th to 20th, 2025 at the Dusit Thani Mactan Resort in Cebu, Philippines, and join the global dialogue driving innovation. Submit your abstract at flogen.org/SIPS2025 under the submission column. SIPS, organized by FLOGEN Stars Outreach, a not-for-profit organization, advancing sustainability since 2003.